under the gears. All right, YouTubes. We got a call for a line unit down. Not the one under the grill that I always work on over here, a different one this time. Let's see what we get into. Come on, Tippins. Let's get up here. Maybe this will keep you from tipping over. Tippo alert. Maybe. We'll pull him up at the rope. Let's get up here. Yeah, we're going over there. Let's get Tippins up here. All right, we got walk-in box. We got Circuit V Cook's drawers. You guys have seen me work on those before. And then down here is the prep base. This is where we're playing right here today. Number C. Hot as a pistol. I just turned the breaker off. Let's see if the condenser fan motor died. Maybe we can let this thing cool off overnight and it'll survive. Let's see. It's not locked up. Oh, it is on a fan cycling switch though, huh? Yeah, the condenser fan motor's good. Compressor's overheated. Start is 3.4. Common to run 1.6. And run to start 5.2. So it looks like the windings are good. So either it's mechanically locked up or I got bad start components. Let's dig into those here. Alright, so I pulled the relay out, and I got the start cap out. Look, it's torched. She barred it up. Pretty good. Guess I'll try some start components and see if this thing will live. Alright, we got some parts. I mean, it's worth a try. Might as well give it a try, see if this thing's still alive. Tecumseh's is usually pretty hardy stuff. Those relays get old and they'll take out the start cap, so let's see how we're doing. got it all wired in there. Let's see if it'll work. Maybe. Yeah, she's running. Hot damn. She's got a load on her right now. 80-degree box. Woo, mama mia. Let's we'll let it rip and do some observations. Oh yeah. She's alive and ticking. Unbelievable. I got a ton of pickup work to do here, for sure. Alright, that one's all fixed. Off to the next one. The old dirty rotten start components. Like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe. Help a brother out. All right, we'll catch you on the next video. Oh man, what's going on here? We got a log jam?
This way. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Good girl.